back down at the car, just doing a few little bits before actually it goes up for stripping in a couple of months, hopefully, maybe weeks. But yeah, just basically just a little quick update for you lot. So basically everything's out now. It's just a case of fuel tank is coming out.
You recording?
I am.
We're in our new home and we're cracking on. Let's do this.
So yeah, so hopefully, well, we'll get down here and we'll show you underneath. So yeah, just a few little bits and it'll be off for, well, basically subframes, axles, fuel tank, a couple of bits of wiring, and then it's off for acid dip, which will be interesting to see what it comes out like. It's either going to be Swiss cheese, which I'm hoping it's not. Dave doesn't think it will be. Or it should be a nice clean solid shell for us to weld it and then send it off to e-coating. So yeah, there's a quick update. I will give you a better update very, very soon. I know it's been a while. It's been like 40 something days since I gave you the last update, and I do apologise. So just please bear with me. We are getting there slowly. I did injure myself the other week, so I couldn't really fucking do much because I'm an idiot. So yeah, so hopefully next couple of weeks it should be it should be good, and we'll have a lot more episodes coming up and things. I'm gonna have a word with a guy that's going to weld it, see if he's going to allow me to film to weld it, and then I'll have a word with the people that are going to be paint stripping the car, and then see what they say about me filming it all, which hopefully they will allow me to film it, so I can get you guys some actually decent footage coming soon, because I know there hasn't been any, so I do apologise, and it will be up soon. But yeah, the car is nearly stripped. We are in the new place, so it shouldn't take long all before proper updates are coming up. So I think Dave's trying to be methodical, whereas me, I'd just cut the pipes. Simple as that.
I might take a bit longer than normal, but there you go.
There we go. So now hopefully the tank should come out. We hope. Because I'm pretty sure we undid it all last week.
We did, and then you decided to cut things off.
Yeah, decided to slice my fingers and fall over. So that was falling over, damaged my knee, damaged my ankle, and then sliced my finger open, so I had to go and have a tetanus jab, which is interesting.
Oh, it'd be good to take that off.
Have we got?
Need chargers for these and all.
What brand are they?
Salaby, I'm not arguing anymore.
Hey, here we go. Whoo wee! That's I don't think that's ever been out.
No.
Wow. Okay, that's yeah. that's bad. That's filthy.
Yeah.
Jet wash. I'll bring jet wash up.
The best thing to do is just get rid of all the dust, sweep all the dust up so it's not...
Yeah, I'll bring jet wash up and I'll jet wash all that off.
I can taste it.
Yeah, I bet. You can even see it on camera, there's just a haze in the air. So right, that's all off. As you can probably see, we had slight issues there with rust. I do believe I've got new straps as well.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the strap's around somewhere.
So, yeah. So when I come down next week, I'll bring the proper cameras and we will get the axle and everything else off, because then it is onto the dolly, and it will be going. Are we going to start welding bits up before we take it for dipping, or we're just going to dip it then weld?
After dip.
Dip and weld.
Yeah, because then you're not burning through paint and primer and.
Well, yeah, that's true.
And you've got to find the best part of metal to weld onto. And ultimately, that's rule 101.
Yeah.
In welding, where you see where this has been done here.
Yeah, bear in mind, Dave did not do this like you guys. It was a lad called Andrew who owns a company called Classic and Customs and Mobile, if I remember correctly. And yeah, let's try and actually.
The paint's not been prepped. The chassis not been prepped before it's painted. Before it's welded. So not only is the welder set up incorrectly and it's got in there, because of the material that's on the metal, it's made it hotter, so that's why it's bowed more. So yeah, I mean, if you could get all that back to the metalwork, which is at the front, do that all back to the metalwork, yeah, you can find a good bit of metal, you can weld onto it, but then that's what the dipping's going to do.
Yeah.
But that's what's not happened there. That would have been 5 times better, still shit, but 5 times better if it had been prepped first.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, don't use do good Andrew from Mobile, Classic and Customs. Whatever you do is in Coventry. I've known a few people that's gone to him now, and he has just literally destroyed people's cars. So do not use him whatsoever. It's just an absolute. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. As you can see from the, we'll try and show you the back end of the welds. See, they're all fucking absolutely atrocious that he's done. There's even left fucking welding wire in there. So yeah, we're not happy with that, but it's all going to get sorted. There's a guy who is right over there, and he does some very, very expensive cars for certain clients. Obviously I do not want to mention their names. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to mention their names, who he does work for, but yeah, he is, I'd probably say he's probably one of the best welders in the country. So yeah, that's Dave's old really.
He is the best welder in the country.
Are we allowed to say who he works for and what he does or not?
Well, he's ex-Rolls Royce for 25 plus years, so
yeah.
If anyone's been on holiday, you'll have probably been on a plane that he's welded up, so...
So yeah, luckily we've got someone who knows the shit and is going to get it done. So yeah, but that's a little update for today, you lot, and I'll be down next week. Oh, I didn't show you the new panels. We did get new panels, thanks to mk2 Spares UK, Matthew Palmer. We've got that one for there, and then we've got the front one for there. So that's all sorted, that's all good. So yeah, that's basically where we are now. It's not too far away from being actually ready to be cracked on with. I've got to ring Heritage Parts Centre to find out. Or unless you lot, and you lot, no, I don't know, but you might be able to help me out. You know the ring plugs here? Got a decent view. Can you still buy them, or is it a case of stripping them out and saving them? I couldn't see anything on their site, so I'm going to ring them. But if anybody knows, I would really, really appreciate the info. As you can see, the engine is here still. She's not gone off just yet. And I want to give Dave a quick hand. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Yeah, take care guys. We'll see you soon.